Yeah. Good evening to all. Welcome to AI with Durga Sir. 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minute session. In today's session, just a few minutes I want to talk about general concepts, general things, and then happily we will start the sim because the basic idea, the basic awareness must be required for you people. So, one good news, of course, all are good news only if you are going to think in positive way. We started prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the most valuable concept. Okay, especially not in generative AI, especially in agentic AI, this concept is going to be helpful like anything. Remember this one. Agentic AI, prompt engineering role is like anything, friends, believe me. Okay, next term. There is some general one news I want to tell for you people. Okay, just I'm alerting you or okay, in what way you are going to take, so better to think in positive way. Can you please tell some software company names, India-based software company names? Anyone, can you please spell out some names?
TCS, Infosys,
TCS,
TCS,
Infosys,
Wipro,
SCL,
Capgemini,
Please.
Zomato,
Mahindra,
Infovision,
Uber,
Brilliance.
Ola.
Yeah,
many more
excellent,
are there.
excellent. Persistent systems also. Persistent systems also. Tech Mahindra. Okay.
Oracle.
Infosys.
Oracle India.
Oracle is not India-based.
Oracle India one.
Wipro.
India, Oracle India is there. That
Yeah.
is basically Oracle is the different. That is from US based, I hope.
Wipro.
Okay, Wipro. Good, excellent. Okay, all the people, can you please listen this point very carefully? They know there is some small thing happened today. What is that thing is? Can you please tell some AI tool names? AI tools, AI models, AI tools.
Claude,
JDBC.
Perplexity,
Claude,
Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot.
GPT, Gemini.
Perplexity,
Next, Copilot, GitHub Copilot and Microsoft MS Copilot is there.
Notebook
Okay.
LLM.
Notebook, yeah, Notebook LM.
Perplexity.
Okay, like Perplexity, like wonderful. There is a Claude is there. Claude is AI tool is there. What is the company name? Claude is from
Anthropic,
Anthropic.
From
Anthropic.
Amazon.
Yes,
From
yes,
Amazon.
Anthropic.
Agentic AI.
It is the US based company. Anthropic. US based company. What happened is today Anthropic company released 11 plugins for their co-worker AI agent. Okay, Claude co-worker, like AI agent is there. What is the name? Can you please spell out? Claude co-worker means the person, just like our colleague, the person who is going to work with us parallelly. Claude co-worker agent is there. For this agent, there are 11 plugins they just released. Which company? Anthropic company. Okay, what the special? So every companies are releasing plugins, companies are releasing new versions. What the specialty there? Okay, nothing. But here the biggest specialty is these plugins. What these plugins are going to do is data analysis, next legal documents processing, like data side analysis part. Usually the people who are doing earlier, now no human touch is required. Happily, this AI agent, with the help of these plugins, happily it's going to do that. It will create folders, it will open and read the files, it will rename the files. Okay, like this agent with these plugins automatically can do that for lawyers. Okay, for all professionals where the data analysis is required, for all those people, these plugins are going to be Very, 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 very helpful. Okay, wonderful, sir. What the specialty there in this news? The biggest specialty is because of this 11 plugins release, because of this news, what happened here? For all software companies, India-based software companies, so-called you spell out right, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, okay, Mindtree, L&T Mindtree, next persistent systems, like all India-based software companies, share value fall down at least 7% today in the share market today. 7%. Sir, the share values got fall down like anything. 7% in a single day means not easy thing. Not easy thing. Okay, fall down. Then immediately you ask, sir, the plugins released Anthropic, Indian software companies, where the links are like, you may ask the question. The answer for that is, okay, for data analysis, for all these things, the data analysis, for all these things, US-based companies, what they are going to outsource their projects for Indian-based companies. Remember this one, for these companies, main revenue generation, okay, in this data analysis from the US-based companies. But now, Anthropic released these plugins for data analysis. No humans are required or no software companies are required. It's completely automated. Then automatically, their revenues by default are going to be down. Okay, because of this problem, their share values are got down minimum 7% today. So Indian share market today, IT shares all together falling down like anything. This was happening in today's share market. Anthropic, Indian share market, AI agent plugin release. Can you please imagine the situation? I mean, don't get fear. Don't get fear. Okay, just observe the scenario. How worst. This is the today. I mean, in the tech world, hot news. Okay, today's market is this one only. There are lakhs of people who are working on data analysis, lakhs of people who are learning in data analysis. These AI agents.
Data scientists. Everyone gone.
These agents are going to do, okay, like there is one technical word is there. Okay, remember, everyone, can you please spell out, can you please write this word in your notes? Yes, A, single word only. SAS, SAAS.
Yes, WS.
POCA, LYPSE. SaaSpocalypse. 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 Anyone, can you please type in chat window? SaaSpocalypse. Okay, can you please type in chat GPT what it's going to provide? Please let me know.
But sir, it's a bad news, right? Very dangerous news.
What it's going to first? Can you please open chat GPT and can you please tell?
Apocalypse is there.
SaaSpocalypse. What is the meaning of this one? It's a technical word. It's a regular word in the tech world. Don't worry.
Sir, I think it is a software destruction.
Cascading failure.
It is failure only software as a service. Those companies will be in danger.
Okay. SaaSpocalypse. What is the meaning of that? Is AI can support software companies. Up to that we are feeling. AI can replace software companies. Today onwards, the slogan. Remember that. It's not my word. The experts in the tech, okay, the people are telling. Remember this one. So if you want, you can open any newspaper or tomorrow, any newspaper, compulsory about this news should be there. Remember that. Our online editions, if you want, you can check it, your local papers or otherwise, like, okay, share market related, yes, this is. But a big congratulations, you people are learning AI. You people are learning AI. A big congratulations. The reason is, you may ask, sir, software companies only going. Our jobs is the question mark. Where is the question of congratulations? Like,
That is the usual learning.
a simple word what I'm telling for you people. Companies slowly started using agentic AI, agents, all these things. Now, small businesses in your area, small businesses will be there, right? Okay, these businesses require AI automation very soon. Okay, just like our coconut selling person or chai wala using UPI payments, right? Have you observed using UPI payments, right?
Yes, sir.
Like so, small business owners require agentic AI automation. At least if you are not having the job, if you have the skill, by writing 2 or 3 agents, happily you can get on your life.
Yes, sir. I agree, sir.
Getting the point?
Yeah.
Remember that in your town, huge number of businesses are there. Okay, or your friends, your relatives, like analyze their work. So just replace 80% of manual activities with automation. 80% is possible in every business. Minimum 80% is possible in every business. Okay, but for doing that, compulsory you people should be very strong in AI area. That's what. An alert, a congratulations message. Okay, because already you started your AI journey with Durga Sir. Okay, why I'm learning AI? I hope you are getting in my busy schedule. I'm in full busy in real estate area. Okay, my activities are completely different. Why suddenly I came and the 5 minutes AI session started is, remember that. Okay, next level AI agents, humanoids, these kind of things only. Cinema, no work with humans. Remember carefully. Are you going to accept?
Sir, it can wipe out around $285 billion today.
Today,
Anthropic.
$285 billion.
Billion dollar, yes.
In
Worldwide.
fact, worldwide, yeah, obviously. In Indian-based software companies gone. Today, say, share market, share value, 7% is too much, man. Okay, it's a good. But one thing you people should be aware. How many people are going to accept this statement? I don't know. Can I tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One thing you people should be aware. తెలుగులో మంచి saying ఉంటుంది. అంటే తెలుగు people ఏది జరిగినా మన మంచికి.
అంతే
ఏది జరిగినా మన మంచికి. Whatever thing happening is always good for us. Remember this. Whatever things are happening is always good for us. Remember. So, for every problem, whatever you are facing, friends, believe me, keep these words in your mind very strongly. Okay, inject these words very strongly. Okay, so for any problem, compulsory solution will be there. Point number 1, compulsory solution will be there. For every problem, solution is there. Solutionless problems, there are no such type of things. Out of 100, 99.99% of the problems having the solution. Remember that solution is there. Point number 1. For every problem, from every problem, you are going to learn something. Learnings will be there. Those learnings are going to be very helpful for your lifetime. Remember that. Second thing. Okay. The third one. Okay. From every problem, in every problem, there is an opportunity is there. Remember that. There is an opportunity is there. So in this problem, what good opportunity for us? Identify that and better to utilize that. Three things. For every problem, solution is there. For every problem, from every problem, okay. So compulsory, you are going to learn something. Next, in every problem, there are some opportunities are there. The person who is going to search for opportunities in the problem, that person for his life, there is no doka at all. Happily is going to get on in any such type of worst situations also. This AI is going to provide a number of opportunities for you people. Believe me, you require to search for those opportunities. Beyond that, nothing. మీకు చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్, చిన్న స్టోరీ చెప్పాలనుకున్నా. If you accept, I want to tell you a small story. If you agree.
Yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir. Sir, yes.
Yes,
You
sir.
are
Yes,
telling
sir.
AI tools session,
sir.
but you are telling stories like you may feel. That's why my personal feel.
No, sir. AI, we
No,
have
no?
365 days.
Do you want me to tell a small story? Wonderful story for you people. Believe me, this is story better to keep inject in your mind. What is that story is? This story some people may heard already. Okay, the people who are well and good, the people who don't know, who don't know, just listen carefully. Wonderful story. Of course, my butler English anyway. I hope you can understand. No problem at all. There is a king is there, kingdom is there, minister, soldiers, and people like. So, can you please imagine olden days stories? There is a king, kingdom, minister, soldiers, all like. One day, king is doing just for time pass gardening activity. What activities are gardening? So extra branches are coming, cutting those extra branches. Okay, that is their body exercise kind of thing for them. Like they are doing. Suppose in movies, CM or ministers are doing such type of activities, right? Okay, like the king is also doing the same kind of activity. Suddenly, what happened is by mistake, accidentally, his finger got cutted. Finger got cutted while he's thinking somewhere or some accidentally his finger got cutted. Whose finger? This one, don't be silent.
King's finger.
King's finger got cutted. Then immediately, is it a big news in the kingdom or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, obviously. If it is a normal person, no one is going to worry. But if the king's finger got cutted, right? It's a big news. Then automatically, the king felt like anything. Today I saw my blood. Too worst. Like he's feeling a bit bad. Then all his relatives, all the people are coming and they are just వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు కొంచెం వాళ్ళు పలకరించి what is called everyone is coming showing some what happened, why this is happened, so that scissor can you please throw out, it should not be happened. Okay, like everyone is showing some courtesy to the king. Okay, king feeling very happy. Wow, for me, the total kingdom is there. My relatives, everyone is coming. Wow. Really, the king is going to feel very happy because multiple people are coming. Paramarshenstam. Okay, they are always coming. Nothing happened. Don't worry. Okay, so it should be within few days. It's going to be cured. It's going to be recovered. No problem at all. Like he's telling, and they are going. The king felt very happy because for me, these many members are there. Like minister is there. Minister is like Durga Sir. Okay, minister came. Then he asked, king, can you please show your finger? Where is cutted? Like, yeah, he showed almost some part missed. Okay, it's so it's a major cutting only. Then automatically minister told king, don't worry much. Don't worry much. Anything happen in our life is always good for us. Anything happen in our life is always good for us. Okay, don't worry that much. Like the minister told. Minister is like Durga Sir. He told that. What is the feeling of king? King getting angry like anything.
Angry.
King is expecting sympathy from the people. But this minister is coming. Hey, nothing happened. Anything is happened is always good for us. Array, my finger got cutted. Part of finger gone. No, he's telling that it's good. Anything happened is always good. Cutting my finger is good. Like a king internally felt fully angry like but he's the minister, right? He can't tell directly. Okay? Okay, please go. Time will come. Please go. Like it. King remember that incident. Array, instead of showing sympathy, he's telling something like mirchi on wounds. Mirchi powder is keeping. Array, nothing will happen. Anything happen is always good for us. Like he told, right? The king felt a bit angry inside and remember these statements. After a few days, the king habit is hunting habit is there. In the olden days for the kings, next up for prince, princess, like these people go for hunting. It's a very common. That is their habit. What happened is the king, minister, and some soldiers went for deep forest. Went for deep forest. Okay, for hunting sake. Observe very carefully the next remark. Of course, the people who already aware, just be silent. Then what happened is, it's a very deep forest. They are going, like by mistake, the king and the minister are one side. The soldiers went on another side. Then automatically, their path got. There's something happened. They went somewhere. Okay, misplaced or so they forgot the path and so on. The soldiers went one side, and the king and the minister went some other side. In the deep forest, going, feeling thirsty. Water required to the king. Then king asked, minister required water like. Then okay, I will check. Is there any nearby, any pond or something like that? The king, the minister identified there is a well is there. There's a deep well is there. Then well is there, water is also there. Please come, both together we will have some water like we will drink some water from that well like king and minister both went. Soldiers are not there. Soldiers their path got so maybe some missing. They went somewhere else. Then okay, but the problem here is it's a deep well. Water is inside, very down. Water is there. So the minister told there is a rope is there, king. With the help of this rope, I will provide support. Can you please go into the well and drink the water and come out? Once you come out, then I will go. I will drink the water like that. Because first priority to the king, right? Then king told, okay, no problem like that. Seems to be not that much danger. Then king get down into the well with the help of rope. The minister provided support. And then he drank some water. And then king came out. Next to whose turn? Respond. Next to whose turn?
Minister.
Turn. What the minister did is, okay, king, I will provide support for you. No problem at all. Minister, can you please go inside into the well? Like the minister went into the well. And then minister drank the water. Now the minister has to come out, right? To come out, the king has to provide support. What the king did is, he remembered that day incident. Array, my finger got cutted. What you told that day? Okay, anything happen is always good for us, right? And minimum sympathy also, courtesy also you are not showing on me. Okay, now I won't provide support for you. that rope throw into the well. You have to stay here only. Like king left the minister in the well, and the king walking alone. King remembered. So what we call revenge kind of thing, what the king did. He waited for this time, luckily. So minister got trapped. Okay, anyway, it happened. Now king alone walking. No soldiers, no minister. He's alone. Suddenly, in the deep forest, man-eaters. There is a tribals are there who are man-eaters. They caught this king. They caught this king. Then immediately, okay, they bring the king. They caught and took the king to their place, and they are man-eaters. Okay, obviously, wonderful food they got today. Like everyone felt very happy, but they have some habit. What their habit is? They have to do some puja in front of their goddess. Okay, before eating. Once that puja completed, then that human body is going to be cooking, cutting into the pieces and cooking, and eating is going to be happen. Then this person, the king, so bath, everything got completed. Just all the tribals kept the king in front of the goddess in the sleeping position, king. Now their tribals had came to do the puja. To do the puja, tribal head came. Then what the tribal head checking this king? Somewhere he identified that the finger got cutted. The finger got cutted. Immediately tribal head, stop this puja. Like, array, what happened? Because this person already, some part of this person already ate by some other goddess. That's why this person not eligible for this puja. Okay, so that's why, can you please leave this person? We can't eat this person. We can't keep this person. Okay, as prasadam to the goddess. Okay, like he told. Just because of that wound, the king got saved. Immediately, they left the king. Then the king remember the minister's word. Anything happen is always good for us. Array, because of this wound only today I got survived. By mistake, this wound is not there. Then automatically by this time they are going to eat me. Like the king fell. Array, I left that minister. Minister told correct word only. I left. So like then automatically he is searching for that well and for that minister. Then he reached the well. Poor minister is already there in the well only. Then king shouted, "Arey minister, are you there?" Yeah, I'm there. Okay, I will provide support. Can you please come out like come? Then automatically, with the help of king, minister came out, and the king told to the minister, "Sorry, I should not do like this. Okay, this is that happened. By this time, I may be died. I may be food for the tribals, but luckily I got saved because of this wound only. Okay, I remembered your word. Thank you very much. Okay, I didn't understand you. Sorry for this type of activity what I did." Like he told sorry, excuse me, like to the minister. Then immediately minister told, don't tell sorry. Don't tell sorry. Okay, because anything happen is always good for us. Don't tell sorry. Anything happen is always good for us. Like he repeated again that statement to the minister, to the king. The minister told again that statement to the king. King is getting angry. Hey, stupid! I left you in the middle of the forest in the well. You may die. But still you are feeling that anything happen is always good for us. Are you mental? Like the king asked the minister. Then the minister told, King, relax. Listen my words. If you are going to provide support at the beginning, okay, to come out of this well, what happened? What might be happened is both together we will go. Then the hunters, tribals are going to catch both of us. Okay, they are going to catch both of us. But your finger wound is there, you got escaped. But my situation, no wound in my body. By this time, I may become food for them. I may. So, you saved my life by leaving me in the well. So, I have to tell in reverse, thank you to you only, like a minister told to the king. And the minister told again, anything happen in our life is always good for us, like the minister told. How many people got this story, man? Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
समझ आ गया?
यस सर समझ आ गया सर
समझ आ गया?
जी सर
अर्थమైందా?
आ गया
అర్థమైంది సార్.
So that's what you people should do. AI. Next tomorrow some XI, tomorrow some JEDI is going to come. Don't worry at all. From every problem there is an opportunity will be there. We have to identify that opportunity and we have to utilize that opportunity. Remember that. Okay, that thing must be required for us. Do you know Telangana? You were right. Telangana, our state. My state where I am staying currently in Telangana. Telangana ex-CM. There is a person they are named with
KCR.
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 The remaining state people, you may aware or not. Okay, ex-CM KCR, K. Chandrasekhar Rao. He was MLA in TDP government. Chandrababu Naidu government. Chandrababu Naidu didn't give the minister post. He didn't give the minister post to KCR. Some reason. Okay, maybe what happened, we don't know that. It's not required also. It's not our business. We don't know. Then what the KCR did is, he came out because he expected minister. He didn't give the minister. He came out and he started the party TRS. Separate Telangana came. 10 years he worked as a CM. So, by mistake, if Babu gave minister post, this may not be, of course. I don't know. There is no guarantee. May not be. So, just one example sake, I'm telling you. Anything happen is always good for us. Remember carefully. In anywhere, if you want, you can. If you search with that intention, you are going to find n number of things. Remember that. Okay? So don't worry much. Wonderful opportunity. Big congratulations for you people. You are already in the track. The remaining people are sleeping. The remaining people don't know about AI. At least you started AI journey. Better to complete until last. Better to be perfect. So that at least if these jobs are there, if these companies are not there, at least in your town, for small businesses, you can provide some AI solutions. Okay, AI automation solutions, AI agentic solutions. You can provide happily, you can survive your life. Don't worry at all. Any doubt? Yes, no? No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So that's it. So this is today, if you want. That's a big technical news. Don't worry at all. You are not required to worry. Such type of things should be there. Then only. So then only the maja aa gaya. Okay. So now, అదే కొంచెం నవ్వుతా ఉన్నాడే బాధగా సైలెంట్గా ఉండడం. డోంట్ బి దట్ మచ్ సైలెంట్. రియాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఓకే, ఇన్ జూమ్. డోంట్ బి దట్ మచ్ సైలెంట్. Okay. So just for your awareness sake, I'm sharing these news, sir. Don't think negative. It's a good thing. Good thing. Good thing. Remember, can I start?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh? Can you please give thumbs up?
Yes, please, sir.
There's the reaction is there. Can you please do that so that I will start the cinema?
Yes, sir. Please start the cinema.
Perfect. Okay. Yeah. So now just observe. In the last sessions we covered, what is a prompt? What is a prompt? Prompt is an instruction to AI. It's an instruction to do a particular activity. Okay, to the AI model is nothing but prompt. Next, what is good prompt? What is bad prompt? Next, what is vague prompt? Next, what is specific prompt? Next, and after that, what is incomplete prompt, complete prompt, like we had a discussion at very top level. Today, my target is, there is a prompt formula is there. There is a prompt formula in the agentic AI. Everywhere, this thing is going to be very helpful. That's why just aware at very top level. Again, at very top level, I'm explaining for you people. Prompt formula is there. Okay. If you write prompts by using this formula, then automatically, so your prompt will become more effective. Okay. You will have more control on the output. Next, you will get clear required output in the specific way, in the specific style. Okay, like that. What is the formula you require to follow? Okay, like that. So that formula I will explain. In RTC bus, conductor will be there, driver will be there. Correct, right? Right? RTC.
Yes, sir.
Conductor is there, right? Okay. So just aware. Just aware. So RTC, of course, today topic is prompt formula. We have to talk about this one. Okay. So RTC conductor is there. RTC conductor. Okay, just I'm stopping here. RTC CO level. This is the RTC conductor. This is the prompt formula, friends. He's telling RTC conductor, now he's telling it in the prompt formula. How is that like that? Yes. So whenever you are writing the prompts, compulsory, you require to follow. Okay, RTC CO rule. What is that RTC CO rule? Okay, what is the first one is R. R means role. Remember this one. What is that, sir? Can you please confirm? Okay, respond. Role. I will explain in detail.
Role.
Sir.
Role.
So acts as HR person, acts as interview person. Like we are using the word, right? Acts as teacher. Okay, like that is the role. What is the second one, sir? What is the second word we require to talk? Is T. T means task. T means what? Task. Which task? You are writing the prompt. Okay, for what task? For what task? You have to specify. Role, task. And what is the third one, sir? Okay, to whom? Or what is the background? What is the background? Or what is the context? Context. Okay, like C means what? Context. Okay, like so RTC. Is that clear, right? Role, task, context. Next, do you know C means you may have some constraints. You may have some constraints in simple English only. Okay, in 2 lines only. In some constraints maybe. Okay, like C means constraints. Okay, what is the last one is output. Okay, this is prompt formula, friends. Better to take in your notes. Role, task, context, constraints, and output. Okay, whenever you are writing the prompt, so search for these things, and better to write by using this terminology, then automatically your prompt will become very effective. Remember that. 70, if you understand, of course, if you follow this formula, 70 to 80% of prompt problems are going to be solved with this prompt formula. Role, task, context, constraints, output. Can I explain each one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I explain each one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, the first one is the role.
Yes,
Okay, the first one is the role. Okay, role. So, role means what role should AI play? Okay, what role, or otherwise, who should AI act like? Who should AI act like? Role means so act as an prompt engineer, act as 10 years of experience trainer, act as interview person, like we are using, right, that interview person, that HR person, like that is. So what role should AI play? Okay, role means this is in agentic AI. This role is going to play very important role. Okay, like example. So sorry, here if you consider example, act as. Okay, act as a teacher. Act as a teacher. Act as a HR. Act as a HR. Act as an interview. Act as an interviewer. Okay, act as manager. Act as a manager, or act as a mentor. Act as a mentor, something like we provided, multiple things. We used already in the last sessions. So, in your prompt, can I include any role? You people should require to check. Okay, so role gives direction to the AI. Role gives direction to the AI. Can you please act like this? Now onwards, because of this, I require to answer in this style. Okay, with this experience, like it's going to get that clarity. Okay, without the role, AI gives a general answer. AI gives a general answer. Okay. So the first word is the clear for you people. Role. Of course, I will explain multiple examples. Don't worry at all. First, try to get.
Yes, sir.
Can I go for next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the second word? I forgot. Anyone, can you please tell?
Task.
The name itself indicates. Not required to give much explanation. What should AI do? What should AI do? So task means what work you want AI to do. What work you want AI to do. Okay, like this is the task, sir. Okay, something like if you want examples, okay, explain Python. Okay, boss, can you please explain Python? Okay, write email. Next, create resume. Ask interview question. Okay, like ask interview question. So task gives job to AI. Task gives job to AI. Remember this. Any explanation is required. The name itself indicates, right? It's not any new thing. Task. The word itself, self, the name itself indicates what the purpose of this. What is the third one? I forgot. Anyone, can you please remember? Can you please remind?
Context.
C means what? C means
Context.
context. So context means for whom, or otherwise any background. Okay, for whom or any background you require to talk. So background information like that. So if you consider examples, for so act as mentor, explain Python for school student. Okay, For school student, for whom? For whom? Or otherwise, what background this thing is? Okay. For school student, okay, like that. Or for fresher, or for working professional, working professional, or for working professional, for business owner, something like that. For business owner, anything. Okay, like that. So for whom, okay, that is the context. Context tells AI level and the situation. Remember this. This is the third.
Background means, sir, background.
Background means some information. Okay, so something like for just what we can use the word. I want to take AI sessions. Okay, explain like a trainer. Okay, to explain prompt engineering concepts. Okay, to layman. Okay, who can spend only 5 minutes of time? Have you observed? Who can spend only 5 minutes of time? Such type of extra information is there, right? That thing is considered as the background information.
Okay.
Okay. Next, fourth. What's the fourth one? Anyone can you please guide?
Constraints.
I forgot.
Constraints.
Constraints means, okay, very simple. Rules and limits. Do you have any limitations? Constraints. Okay. Constraints means restrictions or conditions. Constraints means restrictions or conditions. If I consider example, so sometimes I'm going to use simple English. It's a constraint. Oh, don't use general English. Simple English. Okay. Do not use technical words. Answer in 5 points. Something like that. So keep it short. Like that. Constraints control AI behavior. Constraints control AI behavior. Remember this. So RTC. Next up. What is the last one?
Output.
What is the last one? O means what? Output format. How answer should look like. Okay, should look like. Definitely this one is going to be very, very helpful for you people. Remember. Okay, output format means what do you want? Examples. If you consider, so how do you want the answer? Answer. Okay, like so examples if you consider, boss, bullet points. Next, or otherwise, boss, the response should be in the tabular format. Or the response should be in steps. Okay. The response should be in short paragraph. Okay. Format gives shape. Shape to the output. Format gives shape to the output. Remember this one. Clear, right? Format gives shape to the output. Okay, that's all. These are the points you people should require to remember. Okay, so this is the prompt formula. Role in your prompt, if you are going to specify these things, then the prompt will become a bit clear. What is the role? What is the task? What is the context? What is the constraints? And what is the output like? So this is the RTCO conductor. RTC conductor like the first 5 words. RTCO just aware. So what role, what task, what context, what constraints, what is the output format you require? Okay. So while writing, while writing, okay. So your forms so better to concentrate, set the role, compulsory set role, set a task, okay, set a context, next set the constraints. If you have any constraint, can you please set the constraints, okay, set constraint, set output format, that's all. This is just your prompt formula. Remember this one. AI follows all instructions. AI gives clean output. So whenever you are providing clear input, then automatically the output should be clear output by default we are going to get. Set role, set task, set context, set constraints, set output formula. Any doubt, any explanation is required, friends? Of course, I will go for with the examples. Then you can understand much easily. Don't worry at all. Can I go for that?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just multiple examples we will discuss so that you may get much clarity. Suppose here, now observe. So I want to set the role. Okay, my requirement is I want to Python loops concept. Can you please explain? Python loops concept. Can you please explain? Like most of the times up to today, what we did is open the ChatGPT, explain Python loops. That's it. Explain Python loops. How many times we wrote this type of prompts up to today? Multiple times. Believe me, multiple times. Okay. So we are not providing complete information in our prompt. Alright, this is the output I'm expecting. This is about my background. Okay, so you should access Python trainer or Python mentor. Okay, like I didn't tell anything. Explain Python loops. Then automatically it's going to provide generic. Some 4 or 5 pages response is going to provide. I can't remember. I can't understand this. Like instead of that, better to provide very neatly. Okay, very clear input. The prompt according to prompt formula. Better to write the prompt. Then AI can understand well. AI is going to provide in your required style the response. Remember this one, sir. Okay, let me go for small. Instead of explain Python, now I'm asking act as a school teacher. See, act as a school teacher. Explain Python loops. Explain Python loops. So audience is a beginner student. Use simple Indian English. Use simple Indian English. Next, give one daily life example. Okay, like yeah. Can you please observe? Most of our formula, most of the things are covered or not? You are telling to the AI, oh AI, you require to work like this. Okay, boss, you require to perform this task. Okay, this is the background information. This is the constraint you have. Okay, so this is my required output. In my output, can you please use one daily life example? Like, so all the things are covered. Now, have a look once, sir. If I ask ChatGPT, okay, so something like explain Python loops. Like I asked just casually. Then automatically it's going to tell for loop. Next time after that while loop. Next it's going to provide for loop, while loop, like it's going to provide complete information like infinite loop, like it's provided. Now assume that instead of that, if I just copy paste, acts as a school teacher, explain Python loops, audience beginner student, use simple Indian English, give one daily life example. Now have a look. Sure, beta. Let me explain Python loops like I'm teaching in class. Sure, beta. Let me explain Python loops like I'm teaching in class. What is loop? Sometimes we want to do some work again and again. For example, if you want to say good morning 5 times, will you write five print statements? No, it's boring and long. We use a loop, it will do repeating jobs for us. Have you observed the style of explaining? Respond, friends. Are you
Yes,
seeing
sir.
the style of response?
Yes, sir.
So it is for a beginner level, layman understandable terminology it is providing. And line to line clear clarity it is maintaining, because I asked acts as a school teacher. Acts as a school teacher like next types of loops in Python. Okay, this is the for loop like this will print drink water 3 times, because I used daily life examples, right? Daily life examples, right? That's why it's always concentrating on daily life examples only. Next up, can you please, so this will also run 3 times, do homework. Okay, real life example. Beta, eat 3 chapatis one by one. Beta, eat 3 chapatis one by one. For chapati in range of 3, print eating chapati. This loop will help you eat 1 chapati at a time, 3 times total. Okay? For loop and while loop. Like, wow. What a wonderful way AI provided. Are you seeing the difference, friends?
Yes, sir.
Excellent Python loops. But act as a teacher for beginner level. Okay? Explain loops concept. Next, in Indian English only. Next, use layman examples like automatically my output style completely changed. I told AI is powerful, but only thing is we don't know how to use that. If you know how you can use in your required style, the outputs are going to come, believe me, sir. Okay, so next, can I go for another example? Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so AI, in what way you are going to use? I told right in the last section, gold mine is there. You know how to dig. Gold mine, it is 100 powers, 100 elements power is there. I told 1 crore Durga sir, 1 crore times, sir. How much power for AI is that much power? But unfortunately, we don't know how to use that. Okay, we should aware that is. So just one simple example prompt. Anyway, like let me go for one more prompt so that you may get some clarity with practice. Okay, now example 2, sir. Example 2. So act as, suppose interview practice. This is student learning I'm taking. Okay, student learning. How the student is going to learn Python. Now interview practice. Interview practice. Okay, like now I'm asking. So I want to attend. I'm preparing for the interview. Then how I can use the word here? Hey, can you please act as interview person? Okay, ask me 5 Java interview questions. That is the job. Okay, level, fresher level. Okay, wait for answer for each question. Something like yesterday we covered. Act as interview person. Act as an interview person. So ask me 5 Java interview questions. Java interview questions. Okay, level, pressure. Level, pressure. I'm taking level, pressure. Next, wait for my answer. Wait for my answer after each question. After each question. So, like, now can you please tell what is this one? What is this line? This line talks about which in our formula, which one?
Role.
Role, perfect. What is this one?
Task.
Task. What is this one?
Context.
Context. Next, wait for my answer after each question. What is this one? Constraint. Don't provide all answers at a time. Can you please provide questions one by one like that? So earlier we did multiple times. Okay, how the people are used. Forget about the people. I used multiple times. Provide Okay, please. So my answer is, my question is, please provide 10 Python entry questions. 10 Python entry questions. That's it. Ask like this. Then automatically, so this is, can I use the word? This type of prompt I wrote multiple times, friends. Even I'm believing you also wrote this type of prompts multiple times.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Till now you are written like only.
Please
Till now.
provide 10 Python interview questions. Like multiple times we wrote in this style. Is it a good prompt or bad prompt?
Bad prompt.
Bad prompt. It is incomplete prompt. Complete information is not there. Now up to certain level, happily the information is there. Now have a look once. We executed already in the last session this one. Friends, believe me.
Output we missed, sir. Output.
Wait for answer. Output. Yeah, that's what will happen is, if you want, you can specify that. Even need not be mandatory. Don't worry at all. Okay. Yes. Now, sure. Let's start your Java interview. What is the difference between JDK, JRE, JVM? Okay. Please answer. I will ask the next question after that. Why AI is waiting for my answer? The simple reason is, okay, like some X, Y, Z. Okay, don't worry. Forget about we are not going to attend Java interview. Don't worry, just type it. Then okay, great. Thank you for the answer. Question number 2. Okay, great. Thank you for answer. Question number 2. Here, you can ask. Please correct me. If it is the wrong, next explain with one line example. Like if you want, you can add, no problem at all. Okay. So just I'm asking. What is the question like? Yeah. What is the difference between double equal operator and equals method in Java? ABC like. Okay. I know. We know all those. Next. It is what is the inheritance? Okay. ABC like come take it. Now 3 questions got completed. Got it? Next.
Sir, one thing can I ask, sir?
1
So,
minute. 1 minute. Question number 5 completed. Waiting for your answer. Let me know if you want feedback, explanation for any question. Okay, like so. Just like I'm trying to take. Then automatically, thank you for your answer. Now you have completed all 5 questions. Here is a quick feedback summary to help you to improve your work. Okay, like sir, JDK, JRE versus next double equal operator, like inheritance concept. This 4 pillars. Final keyword is so and so. Like it's going to provide clearly. Now tomorrow you can ask. Yes, prompt engineer. Okay, please provide prompt engineering concepts. Next, for beginner, layman. Okay, one by one in very simple Indian English for school student level. Then what is the need of Durga sir? Have you observed what the need of Durga sir? Remember, it's going to tell very clearly. This is the point 1. This is the point 2. This is the point 3. Like 100 points are there. 100 points if you aware, you are the expert in prompt engineering, right? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, someone is asking the doubt. Yes.
Yes, sir. Suppose, sir, so question I'm giving. Okay, I wanted to validate and give the output also, like bullet points are there. So 5th one we can give like output we can give as give the answers in a bullet points. Sorry,
Yes.
radio
Yes, we
button
can
format.
use.
That
We
is
can.
no issues. Yeah. But what is my question is, see, I want to AI to validate my answer. If it is wrong, it needed to tell it's wrong. Okay, if it is right, it need to return right. So that case, I needed to put it in context or constraints, sir. Those things.
Yeah. So here, what context? 1 minute. Let me. 1 minute. Here, context or constraint. No issue at all. Provide AI can understand that. Don't worry at all. Okay. AI can understand. Suppose here, act as exam, act as exam expert, provide me or ask me, okay, 3 MCQs on prompt engineering, ask, okay, provide me, okay, for which level, okay, beginner or fresher, okay, okay, like next, here I'm taking, what about your requirement? Can you please provide?
So it needed to validate whether my answer is a correct answer.
Wait for my answer after each question. Wait for my answer for each question. Okay. Next, wait for my answer for each question. So after entering question, please validate my answer. Okay. Please validate my answer. Provide, okay, correct answer with the explanation with the 3 bullet points. Yeah.
Output we can put as make it as a multi-choice question.
Yes. Okay, MCQs I asked. On prompt engineering, level fresher. Wait for my answer for each question. Please validate my answer. Provide correct answer with the explanation. Okay. Next, if you want, wait for my answer. If you feel that, okay, this AI may get confused, ask questions one by one. Okay, one by one, ask questions one by one. Okay, don't ask all at a time. Ask questions one by one. Wait for my answer for each question. Please validate. Okay, like of course there may be a chance of repetition will be there in this. Don't worry at all. Just maybe in the prompt optimization, there these duplicate words, all these things we can remove. Okay, because what is the need of remove duplicate words, all these things?
Token.
Remember what is the need? Why we have to remove duplicates? Prompt optimization, tokens cost. Token cost is a very important, sir. Do you know? That's why. Now let me ask this question. Your way of writing prompt should be changed. Remember that. Okay. Wonderful. Great. Let's begin with prompt engineering. Okay. MCQ test for freshers. Okay. Now observe what is the main purpose of prompt in prompt engineering. To install an AI model, to store user data, to give instruction to the AI, to design user interfaces. Which one is the correct answer?
To give instruction to the...
Yes, C. Now, observe that. Okay, correct. The answer is C. To give instruction to the AI. Explanation. How many bullet points are there?
3 bullet points.
A prompt is the input we give to the AI to tell what. Good prompts give clear instructions for better and accurate output. It's like asking a question and giving a task in the specific format to the AI students. Okay, well, question number 2. Which of the following is good prompt for generating a summary? Okay, summary. Please write something. Give short summary of the article in 3 bullet points. Okay, do it fast. Among these, which one is the good prompt?
C.
Okay, do it faster. No. Which of the following is a good prompt for generating summary? Okay, give short summary of the article in 3 bullet points. Like now, have a look once. Okay, absolutely right. The correct answer is C. Give short summary of the article in 3 bullet points. Good prompt is clear, specific, and structured. Option C tells AI what to do and how to format it. The better you prompt, the better AI's response.
But it didn't follow the format. RTCO.
Yeah. RTC. Here I
No,
observed, right?
No. The question and answer answer.
Yeah. Which part of the prompt helps the AI understand the style or role? Understand which part of the prompt helps the AI understand the style or role? Output format, role instruction, word count, sentence punctuation. Which
Role.
ones are?
B.
Role. Okay. Correct. Again, that right answer will be explanation is this. Well done. You got 3 answers correct. Let me know if you want another MCQs. But a wonderful job. Are you in the position to understand?
Yes, sir.
The prompt, okay? How effectively we are writing the prompt based on that. Okay. మనకి ఎట్లా ఉందంటే తెలుగులో మనకు ఒక do you know Alibaba Gen, Alibaba Adbhuta Divekam, something like Alibaba Gen will be there. It's always going to ask G, what you want? Like automatically, if Alibaba is going to tell something, then immediately it's going to fulfill that activity. Correct, right?
Yeah.
Do you aware?
Yes, sir.
Are you in the position to visualize that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So lamp will be there. Alibaba got one lamp. Then automatically, if it's going to ask anything, you can ask, then automatically that person is going to fulfill that. Such a type of wonderful thing is AI models. Remember that. Okay, but in what way you are going to utilize, that thing is matters a lot. For that, prompt engineering is the mandatory. Better to have clarity. Can I go for another prompt?
Yes.
Okay. So just example 3 or 4. Okay, 4 I'm taking. So whatever, 3 or 4. Okay, 4. Official email. Okay. Official email, sir. So now act as a professional assistant. Okay, write email to manager. Okay, context is requesting today's leave, requesting today's leave. Okay, there is one word I'm using. Don't worry at all. This word I'm using in the next session. I will explain the tone is also there. Do you want polite? Do you want smooth? Do you want professional? Or do you want a joke, something like funny? Like you can specify tone also. Tone is polite. I'm asking polite. Next, keep it short. Wow. What a wonderful boss. So I wrote multiple times. Explain. Please provide. Okay. Email to my manager. Please provide email to my manager about 2 days. Okay, 2 days sick leave or 2 days leave. Like earlier, I wrote in this style multiple times. I don't know about this format. I don't know all this style. Now observe this. How beautiful. Okay, this prompt and this prompt, what is the difference? Are you in the position to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
RTCO. 60 to 70% of your prompt problems are going to be solved with this prompt formula. Remember that. Okay. Now have a look once. Same thing I'm asking. Yes, subject requesting dear manager name. So why it is providing only 2 or 3 lines?
Short.
Yes. I specified constraint. Keep it short. I specified constraint. Okay, that's why. Okay, it's going to provide very short. I hope you are doing well. I would like to request leave for 2 days from so and so due to personal reasons. Kindly grant me your approval. That's all. Straightforward, directly the point. Okay. Next, resume building. Yes, all these things, friends, required. Okay, resume building like act as HR. Act as HR. Create a resume summary. create a resume summary, context, Python fresher, context Python fresher. Next, focus on skills and projects. Skills and projects. Use professional language. Use professional language. Okay, like that. Sir, very simple. Observe this. Act as HR, create a resume summary, context Python, fresher, focus on skills and projects, use professional language. Like that. Now, observe the answer what I'm going to get. Yeah, resume summary. Enthusiastic, ... So, here have you observed at the beginning of your resume, whatever summary you are going to take. Enthusiastic and a detail-oriented Python developer with a strong foundation in programming, data structures, and object-oriented, proficient in Python, and experience in building real-time mini projects involving data analysis, web development, and automation. Skill tools such as NumPy, Pandas, Flask, and SQL demonstrated ability. Wow. Sir, have you observed, right? A bit proficient terminology is there in this. Yes, friends. Are they sleeping?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting right?
Yes, it's
Yes, sir.
perfect. Yeah. Very
Okay.
concise and detailed. Yes.
Yeah. It's a professional because
Yes.
I use the word professional. Use professional language. Okay, like that. So this thing must be important. Like. Can I go for another?
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Feeling bored?
No.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Anna? Okay.
No, sir.
Now here, just coding help. Okay, here coding help. I won't take much time, don't worry. Coding help. If I can take, act as programming mentor. Act as programming mentor. Okay, explain if else in Python. Explain if else in Python. Audience beginner. Explain step by step. Okay, like, sir, have you observed? Acts as programming mentor. Explain if else in Python. Audience beginner. Explain step by step. Okay, like, but the response by default you are going to get. Observe careful. Sure. Okay, step 1. So let's understand if else Python step by step. So like I'm teaching you in a classroom. Have you observed, right? What AI is telling? Respond. What AI is telling? What is this word? Actually, a classroom mentor is using this type of terminology, right? Sure. Let's understand if else in Python step by step. Like I'm teaching you in a classroom. Why AI telling I'm teaching you in a classroom? Because I specified the role as
Programming mentor.
Programming mentor. I told that's why your job. Oh yeah, you require to act as a mentor. That's why now it's behaving like a mentor. Wow, what a wonderful man. Okay, what if else? Sometimes in real life, if we take decisions, okay, so Python allows decision making. So step 1, what is if else? Next, step 2, syntax in Python. Okay, how if else is going to be there. Next, step 3, real life cycle, real lifestyle example. Okay, like step 4 with the numbers. Step 5, elif extra condition. Okay, that's all. Wonderful. Now, any concept you can ask. Explain. Agentic AI. Step by step. Okay. For layman. Like anything you can ask. AI is there to provide excellent response. Do you know Alauddin, Gen, like our AI model is there. How extent you are going to use, that depends on your requirement. Okay, like. Next, do you know social media marketing we can use? Act as a marketing expert, write Instagram caption, context a small mobile shop, type friendly. Okay, something like here, just something. This is the very helpful for you people.
Sir, in future, it can replace the prompt engineer also, right?
Prompt? Yeah, definitely. Definitely, it's going to provide prompt.
It will replace everyone.
Yeah,
Agents are there. Once automate, run on schedule.
just you require to what? First time IDE's concept came. The code automatically it starts telling the code right. Now Copilot is there. What happened in Wipro? Not only Wipro, in most of the companies, don't write code. If you are writing the code, we will hang you.
Yeah,
AI is there.
Then which
To generate the code.
which thing to learn that saying permanently? keep on changing every time. Which one to learn?
Agentic AI workflows as of now today safest game.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Zapier, N8N, those tools,
Yeah.
best tools.
Best tools as of now today for you people. Believe me. But in that prompt engineering, you should aware. Don't worry.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. This one is going to be very helpful. Business marketing kind of thing. Business marketing acts as marketing expert. Acts as marketing. Acts as marketing expert. Okay. Write Instagram caption. Instagram caption. Write Instagram caption. Context. Small mobile shop. Small mobile shop. Context. Small mobile shop. Tone friendly. Friendly. Of course, I will discuss about the tone. Tone I didn't add in our formula. Friendly. Next, yard call to action. Yard call to action. Okay. Now AI becomes a marketer for you people. Okay. How it's going to provide response? For small mobile shop, friendly tone, yard call to action. Can you please write Instagram caption? Okay, like now what is the response we are going to get? Yeah, new phone, new buy. Looking for the latest mobiles at best prices. We have got the top brands, budgets, and so on. Visit our store by today, upgrade your style. So and so call now. Hurry up. Okay, like what? Okay, sir, observe. So AI acts as a marketing person. Okay, like. So don't worry. Some more things we will practice tomorrow. And then there are some more concepts are there. Something like a tone concept I require to discuss in detail. Next, there are some step-by-step approach. Okay, like we require to discuss. Next, length control, like there are some more things are there. In the next session, I will talk about all these things in detail for you people. Some more examples I will discuss. Okay, better to practice. I hope your way of writing, the prompt, a small change today happened, I hope. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Your way of writing the prompt is
Yes,
changing,
sir.
right? It's
Yes,
small
sir.
change.
Yes, sir.
It's going to be happen, right?
Yes.
So this prompt formula is a wonderful thing, compulsory you require to follow. Okay, right, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.